Somebody help me.
No!
Look, he wants to kill me. He wants to kill me. No. Throw something else to it.
You'll really get something. You'll really get. I'm gonna get my shoe back. I'm gonna get my shoe back.
You're gonna need to shoot your shoe.
It's right there, middle of that water.
Just go get it. You're not afraid of it. You live with it. I'm biting you, bitch. You biting me? I'm biting him. Biting him. The neck. And the neck. I'm biting him. Okay, now let him go. Hey! Hey! Gonna go? Gonna go?
Which do you want? Which one do you want? Look, you want one of these? Look, you want one of these?
Hey! Hey!
Oh, gosh, this looks like